Hello viewers, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about the data types in Java. Java is statically typed and also a strongly typed language because in Java, each type of data such as integer, character, hexadecimal, packed decimal, and so forth is predefined as a part of the programming language, and all constants or variables defined for a given program must be described with one of the data types. Java has two categories of data: primitive data, example, number, character, and object data, that is, programmer created types. These are 8 types of primitive data in Java: boolean, byte, char, short, int, long, float, double. We will learn about each one of them in coming slides. First, let's look at the boolean data type. Boolean data type represents only one bit of information, either true or false. Boolean is defined as this in Java. Here, b is the identifier for the boolean data. We initialize it with true. If b is equal to true, then we will print hi geek. So, as we have set our value as true here, therefore the statement is true. Thus, it would print hi geek. Byte. The byte data type is an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer. The byte data type is useful for saving memory. In large arrays, the size of the byte is 8-bit. Its values lies between -128 to 127. This is how we initialize byte in Java. We saved 126 in it. When we print a, we will get 126. We can add 1 in a and it would print 127 in the statement. Short. The short data type is 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. Similar to byte, we use a short to save memory in large arrays. Its values lies between -32,768 to 32,767. Int. It is a 32-bit signed 2's complement integer. The size of int is 32-bit. Its values lies between -2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Long. Long data type is 64-bit 2's complement integer. Its values lies between -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Float. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit. It's basically used to store decimal values. F suffix is used along with it. For example, 9.8f. The double data type is a double precision 64-bit. Char. The char data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. A char is a single character. Its values lies between 0 to 65,535. So this is how we declare each one of this data type in Java. We start with the data like char or int, etc. Then its identifier like I in this case. Then you may specify its value. Pause the video and take a look at all of them. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.